The Minga Community and Communication Platform is designed to strengthen your school community and increase engagement in school activities and events. Your Minga home feed streamlines all school messaging into one space. Every student will have a personalized home feed and events calendar, curated based on their unique interests. Promote and manage events, organize teams and clubs, and get interactive feedback from your community with polls and challenges. First, you need to decide who will sit on your school's communication team for building content to engage your school's community, and who will have permission to post content on your home feed or manage content in your groups. We recommend involving your student leadership team in content creation, group management, and event creation to populate your community feeds. Every user in Minga is assigned a role with customizable permission levels. To set those permissions, go to the Settings tab in Minga Manager. Click on Posting Preferences first. Here you can decide which roles are able to post and make comments on your main home feed for every Minga member. Best practice is to keep this limited to your owners, managers, and some trusted student leaders who can help curate the feed. Next, you'll need to decide if you want to enable the public school photo gallery and who can post photos to the gallery. Group management can be transferred to any member of your Minga, including students. The main decision to make now is, do you want to limit group creation to only your owners and managers, or do you want to allow teachers and staff to create their own groups too? Owners and managers will always have access to every group created. Direct messaging can be enabled and customized to allow different roles in Minga to communicate one-to-one. Toggle on what you are comfortable with. Any of these settings can be changed at any time. Moderation is on by default with all content and messages in Minga going through a robust AI moderation filter. Any inappropriate content will be removed and flagged to Minga owners in the Moderation tab. Now it's time to share some content with your students. We recommend creating a welcome post or announcement. To introduce Minga to your school community, setting expectations for how Minga is going to be used. Please note announcements send out push notifications where posts do not. Add a poll or a challenge to get some early feedback for the programs at your school. Add all of your school events to the calendar so Minga becomes the one place where everyone can come to see what's happening on campus. This is a great job for your student leadership. Check out our training guides and videos on creating content and events for setup and management instructions. Head over to the Groups tab. To start creating your first groups, create groups for messaging teams, clubs, groups, and entire grades. Here, we are making a group for students graduating next year. Groups can be made public or private. Content in private groups cannot be seen by any non-group members. Once the group is created, view your members and make other teachers or students the group owners as needed, so they can manage the group's content and activities. Create private groups for your school's leadership or staff teams to practice posting content. Post team or club practices, meetings, and rehearsals in groups so no one ever forgets practice again. All content and events posted in groups will populate on the main feed of all the group members, giving every student a personalized feed and calendar. Owners can keep an eye on all content created and deleted from your main feed and groups. Navigate to the Moderation tab to see all content in your school's Minga, along with user-reported content and direct messages. In the upper menu, the AI moderation filters will catch and remove any inappropriate content if it occurs and will flag it for your review. Take the Community and Communication module one step further by combining it with the Check-in and Behavior and Points modules for ultimate student participation. Plan and coordinate events like prom and football games with ticketed entry. Easy and super fast. Student check-in. And reward students for attending school activities with points and rewards. Students can even receive points for responding to challenges and polls, giving every student an equal chance to receive recognition for participating.